Okay, in this video I will show you how to input inventory and process it, so you can know how much your actual stock position. First, you need to input the stock if you have purchase from menu purchase item. Like a example, today I buy beef meat. The unit in grams. If you have buy beef in 10 kilograms, you need to convert it manually to grams. 10 kilograms is same with 10,000 grams. Just input the quantity here, 10,000, and total. This is for total amount, price purchase, calculate with the quantity. I input in price purchase in 1 gram. In 1 gram, like example, maybe 5,000, and then press enter. Okay, then the total or subtotal is calculate from price purchase, calculate with the quantity. And then next, second item or ingredients, chicken. We buy 10,000 gram. For the purchase price for the 1 gram is 5,000. Okay, this is just for example. After that, if your item are the input all, next step, choose the supplier name. Maybe you buy the product in Indomaret or in Amatil Indonesia, and then click save to save the data. Okay, the data already saved. So the beef meat and chicken meat, the stock already increased with the quantity you are already input here. If you want to edit the data, maybe you have wrong input, you can call it back from this invoice column. Just type the invoice number and then press enter. So the data will appear again. You can do the delete if you want to delete the one item. Just click the item and then press delete button on your keyboard. The prompt will be pop up, delete this item. Yes, click yes if you want to delete. Okay, the chicken meat is already gone. And then input your correct item. Maybe 5,000. After that, click update button to update again the data. Then check again. Okay, the data already update. Okay, the stock of beef meat and chicken meat will be increased. Depend on your purchase input here. After that, to process the inventory, before you process the inventory, make sure you already input the correct mapping of unit in data ingredients. I will check the beef meat. Make sure you input this conversion box because it will be calculate on the inventory process. Okay, it's already correct. And then to process the inventory, go to menu master data, inventory menu. This is there is a master inventory menu, adjustment inventory. There is a category of adjustment, and then closing inventory. Okay, let's we try to calculate the stock. Go to the master inventory. In this form, you just click this process button to start the calculation process. There will be three step of process. First step, the system will be calculate incoming stock from purchase item input. Second step, the system will be calculate the out of ingredients depend on transaction or point of sale transaction. And then the third step is the system will be calculating in and outgoing stock. Okay, I will show you how the process is running. Just click this button process. Calculating stock. Okay, process done. And then if you want to view the data, you can go to filter data, view how much the actual stock of beef meat. Okay, after that just click this button for print preview the data. This is for point of sale transaction. The beef meat is using or sales in this transaction code. Go to the next page. Okay, this is the in quantity total from the purchase item input, and then this is for the outgoing total or consume total or point of sale transaction. Okay, the last stock is this 4,600 grams. You can also check the actual stock from data ingredients. For beef meat, stock is same like from inventory. And also print here beef meat, yeah, stock is same 4,600. That's it for inventory process. And then I will explain about the next menu, adjustment inventory. When we use this menu, if you have a waste food or broken food because the electricity of your chiller machine broken or off, you can use this form for adjustment your inventory with the real with the real with the actual stock. Okay, I will show you how to use this form. First, click this add new button. The code will be filled automatically, and then choose the type of adjustment. Is it for decrease stock or increase stock? Because it for the waste food or broken food, of course it will be decrease your stock. And then choose the type. Is it waste food or staff consume? In my example, this is waste food. Input the remark here. We chiller out of power. And then at the item, click the search button, beef, how much in gram, 100 maybe. Next, what item again? Maybe example chicken maybe 100 also. Maybe next maybe for kentang 10 grams. Okay. The function of button is same like sorry. Sorry. Okay, continue. There is delete item button, save, cancel. If you have a wrong input, you just select the item you want to edit. You want to revise the quantity, maybe just click choose your item and then click delete item. The item will be gone, and then input again with the correct quantity. I think this data is correct, so I want to save it. Just click the save button. Okay, the data already input. The data will be shown in this list, so you can know how much the total of adjustment inventory, and also you can filter the data between the type of adjustment and by code, by date also, and also there is if you want to edit the adjustment inventory, maybe you already saved but you have wrong input, it's possible. And also if you want to delete, maybe just click the data and then click button to delete. And there is a print preview. If you want to preview the detail, detail of adjustment, you can use this menu. Okay, after you input the adjustment inventory, you need to process it again. So the stock of beef meat and chicken meat will be decreased. Okay, let me check beef meat. Okay, yeah, beef meat decreased 100 gram, and then the last stock is 4,500. Before, the last stock is 4,600. How about the chicken? Yeah, stock already decreased. And then I will explain you what is the category of adjustment. This is just the category. When you create the adjustment inventory, you can add here. Maybe there is another new category you can create here. And then closing inventory. What is closing inventory? Okay, this process it will lock your data. So if you choose the date, the today date, and then click the closing button, so the inventory is locked. It means you cannot modify the transaction before this data. It function it just for the make your process inventory will be fasting, so the system will not calculate the data from first data. The system, if you are already closing the date, the inventory, process of inventory just will calculate the last stock from the date of your closing. So the process of the inventory calculation will be not long. I will try to close the date inventory one before this today, 1 day before today, or yesterday I mean. Then click this button. Are you sure to close inventory? Yes. The process calculating stock for end balance is running. Closing that safe success. Okay, the closing of inventory already success. Just close it. And then you cannot modify the transaction before the date of closing. Like this will be pop up from information editing is not possible. The date transaction less than closing date. But it's still possible to input the data. Okay, still not possible. Okay, this is for date 24. Still possible because 24 is higher than closing date. Okay, that's it. If you have any question, please contact me through my mobile phone or WhatsApp. Thank you for watching.